Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I'm going to do a TSLA review on TSLA on great gains this week. Again, November, I explained many times with the November 17 320 calls, you got to be quick. Okay, so let's talk about this. So you can see that I had this. The price was 302.99, and then inside the video I explained about two entry zones, one being 308 to 311. I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to come out, we're going to go take a look at the charts of TSLA, and I'm going to show I'm going to talk about the two wins this week in TSLA without it going against you much. Unlike the high flyer stock clown, 15 points is against him in entry. In other words, most people can never make money in his style of trading. Let me show you what I mean. All right, people, so now I'm in here, the charts for TSLA, and let's talk about this. So I posted it based on the November the 10th close, and which was this day here, right? And we confirmed on Monday, okay? Now, if we take a look at this here, so we take a look at this high, we had 316, okay? So let me ask you a question now. Now, I actually entered a little bit late this day. However, we entered this day and we had to pay about in the 311 to 311 to 312 zone. Some people got into 311, so a 5-point swing can double the options. 6-point swing can double the options. Now, of course, we had to exit some this day. Okay. Then in my live stream, I talk about another entry point, which confirmed on this day. Okay. So we got in around over the highs, and then it pulled back about 5 points. Okay, only to gap up and give 600, giving depending on how you exit it, because we hit targets. I talked about targets of 320 to 324, right? Well, we hit way above targets. So let's go take a look at the Yahoo. I'm going to show you the options right in the morning, and then we'll get. Okay, so I'm going to show you that now soon, but I wanted to explain this. So this was done. This is all done within a very reasonable manner. In other words, it was choppy. However, did Tesla, and right now I'm timing, this is Tesla right now at 3, it's still up higher. So if you measure from this day to his day, it's up higher. No matter how you spin it, there was profitable ways. Here was some profits. One would have exited, break even. And then on the live stream I talked about going high above this high. It did confirm, started to make money. They pulled it back only to gap up in the morning and give great gains in the options. So let's go take a look at the option prices, people. All right, people, just doing a quick right now. I mean, Tesla did move up higher today for November the 17th. This is the option expiration for November 17th right now. As you can see, these are the November 17 calls. Let me go to the 320 calls. You can see they actually hit a high of about 7 points. I mean, you couldn't get it out at 7. You're looking at you could get out at 6, like some. You can see tons of trading happening in these 320 calls here. So November 17, right? 320 calls. As you can see, they more than doubled. Now from yesterday, because they went back a little bit, like from entry, like they did pull back, but they're up 357%. Obviously, we did not make 300 from the entry. Did not make 300, but there was at least 150% gains made in one day. And then, of course, during the week for Tesla, there were gains. So I just wanted to record this. It was higher than that, but just want to record that for the Tesla trade. Again, hashtag high flyer incorrect once again. All right, people. So on my stream, now this was labeled wrong. It was supposed to be November 11th. But I posted this detailed plan on the weekend. Okay, as you can see here for November. 1 second. All right, so here it is, the November posted plan, November the 11th. Okay, so this was basically I mistyped. I put October. I was thinking, I don't know why I wrote October in there, but this, as you can see, is posted. I had an issue posting, but you can see it was posted over here, this plan, and we made great gains 2 times in Netflix. Let me show you another point here. So here I am posting Tesla looking well, a buy here in the 312.65 area with the 320 calls at 260. Now these calls went they made some great gains. I'm going to show you. Again, you had to take profits at the end of the day, but here you can see that the options were higher here on this 134 post. Okay, but some people actually bought it properly where they would make more gains, more than 100% gains instead of 80% gains. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to click into here. 1 second. So these options did hit a high of because at 314.45 they were up nicely, but these did hit a high of 4 points, and there was more gains to be had if you had the right entry. I was away that day, and then I also posted. I want to show you my next confirmation point. Okay, so the options that I just showed you now, the ones that you saw over 5 points, you could have sold for 5 points. And I explained it even higher because it was at 326. That's $6 in the money, so the options go up a lot, right? They were purchased for 3.25. They did pull back, okay, but they gave huge gains from this entry. They did pull back, but they provided huge gains on the next day. Okay, so there you have it. And as you can see, the time, November 16th, 11:52 a.m. And if you check the charts, you'll see where Tesla was, right? You'll see where Tesla was, right? Because we were over. You'll see the time, right? And so this is I consider very good timing skills on a very choppy stock. Now, alright people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans, just like the one I did for Tesla. I'm going to post that Netflix Tesla plan inside. The Netflix plan didn't do that great, but however, the Tesla plan did give 2 entry signals that did provide great gains. Okay, and it was quick. It was choppy and quick. However, it was possible to make the money, and it didn't go against a person. And between the 2 trades, a person made about 200 to 300% depending on the entry between the 2 trades, not in the 1 trade. Okay, and the proof again is inside this video. I documented it from showing it on the Yahoo Finance just to see more of a screenshot of from a public area. Anyways. I could have done it with my chart program. I didn't think about it at the time. And anyways, people, if you haven't had a YouTube account, I suggest you have a YouTube account. Subscribe, join my live streams. So just do that manually. Make sure you open up a YouTube account, subscribe manually, so you can join and ask me questions on my live streams. I'll do live streams. I'm going to be doing live streams on Wednesday. Also, people, if you have a YouTube account, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like